what's going on? Welcome back to the channel, guys. Finally upgrading my goddamn camera point of view for you guys. Hopefully this works a lot better. I've never used it before in my life, ever in my life, so this is definitely a first. So now I can actually put both hands on my wheels and I could drive normally, and I can look around and actually, you know, be safe instead of holding a phone. But hope you guys are doing well. Hope everybody's blessed, everybody's well, and just wanted to continue our video and do another little night drive, but you know, safety. Oh, underpass real quick. But yes guys, hope you guys are doing well. I think I'm about to order the suspension module. It's a cancellation module for the suspension, so I don't get the light on. I can't think of the name at the moment, but I know it's something with the cancellation for the suspension. I'm tired, guys. I just worked all goddamn day. It just got off. So I don't know if you noticed, if you guys have a Type R, that this actually goes with the car. If I turn, it turns. If I step on it, it squats back a little bit too, which is pretty crazy. I started noticing after. I don't know if you guys have, but that's a crazy option to have. I thought the car just sat there, you know what I mean? But it actually goes with the damn car, which is cool as hell. I am hoping this is way better quality now that I actually don't move around up and down everywhere, not shaking everywhere. Just kind of actually give you a point of view of driving a Type R, and you can hear the, you know, the exhaust a lot better. Please let me know in the comments below what you guys think, how the quality is. If you guys like it, if you guys hate it, shit, let me know. Yeah. So the other night I was going home, and I don't know if this damn CHP seen me or heard me. He slowed down, he waited for traffic, he was just waiting for me, and I was going hella slow, just, you know, not to be in front of him or next to him. And he got off an exit and literally put his lights on, got off the exit, and I was like, okay, cool, I'm cool. But I don't know, I had a feeling he was gonna come back again. So not even like 5 minutes later, I was driving, and a car literally pulled up behind me, coming up fast. I was like, oh shit, is that him? And it was him. But I don't know why he let me go. He kept going, and like down the freeway, a little more down the freeway, I see an accident happen, so I got lucky. So I guess he was coming for me, but he got a call, so he got to go. Oh, little Beamer right there. A lot of cars out today, a little Friday night. Yeah, I was just realizing also that my car is OEM plus plus and plus. I just need wheels not to be completely OEM, but fitment and everything, honestly, shit, clean as hell. I'm not even trying to be conceited, not trying to brag, but you gotta admit, my baby is clean. So you hear how it sounds. I love curves. Another thing, guys, I have been reading the comments. I try to get back to them as soon as possible, like I said in every video, but I love the comments. Thank you so much, guys. I really do. But like, keeping it real, I really appreciate your comments. And to be honest with you, that food and car content, I love food, straight up. I love food. I'm a big bag. I love food. I love being a foodie. I love trying different things out. And if the car content comes along with it, I mean, that's a double whammy. I don't know about you guys, but honestly, don't you think? You get to check out food places. I'll go review food places with you guys. Go show you what I think is good. You guys, if you guys try it later on, try it, you know, let me know. If it is good, then you guys know a new food spot, you know? Can't go wrong. But you gotta admit, the hole in the wall places are the best. I'm not even lying to you. It could be a $1 million restaurant, food's alright. You know, have you ever went to a restaurant like, oh my god, expecting so much, like, oh damn, it's gonna be so bomb, and it comes out tasting like ass, and you paid all the money for it. I don't know about you guys, but if I'm paying for a food, if it's expensive, I don't mind, but it has to be good. If it's expensive and it's nasty, that's disgusting. This is like, damn, I wasted all this money for no reason, you know what I mean? So it's coming up soon. I'm trying to get something together. I want to go take a little drive on ACH, see how that goes. Never took it up to actual canyon. Took a little canyon, like baby canyon, but not a big canyon like that. I'm gonna hit up all the boys. You know, it'll be a bunch of Type Rs, different type of cars, you know, different content. Maybe that you guys like that content a little bit better instead of just night drives. I just work too much, to be completely honest with you. So this is my only time I can do it. I'm gonna get all the boys together, make a little cool video about that, and the content about driving, content about, you know, kicking with the boys, just everyday life, you know, just a regular video, guys, just regular video, and see if you guys like it, see if you guys like the content. If you do, I will do more of that. Car meets and stuff like that, I do like going to them, but it just gets so damn packed that I hate waiting in line. And I don't know about you guys, but sideshows, not the business. That's not the car scene. That technically kills it for all of us. Comment down below where you guys are from. I'm curious how far my video goes out, what kind of car you guys have too, you know. It's a car thing, guys. It's a car thing 100%. For Type R owners, you get a Type R, or if you have a Type R, which menu do you guys like using? I like this one. It is cool. All the gauges, does look like a baby GTR, if I'm not lying. This one doesn't show anything, and then the graphs, and then this one's actually pretty cool too, but I like this one the best. This one or the gauges. So turbo car owner, I'm telling you, isn't this our season when it's nice and cold? Where I live, it gets almost like 30 degrees, or sometimes even shit like 20 degrees. But with a turbo car, any degrees past like under like 70, though, your car runs so much better, so much faster, so much more responsive in comparison to hot ass 100-degree weather. You know, sucking in that hot ass air in your turbo doesn't work. But now, if you have cold air outside, you can do little pulls. Wait, got past the light. So now I can actually show you what it means when it goes like after 4,000 RPM. It starts cracking more, like watch this, the tone, and then I don't know if you guys can hear that. Hopefully the camera picks it up a lot better. But yes, I love the noises. Just want to thank you guys for watching. If you guys will continue watching, thank you for subscribing. I really appreciate that. I see the number count going up and up and up, so that really helps me, the channel, and for more content for you guys. But yes, driveways are a pain in the ass, but I just wanted to close off this video. Like I said, if you guys love the content, please just throw me a like button up there, please. That helps a lot. Comment would be great, and I will catch up to you guys next time. Peace out, guys.